Motorhomes are a common sight in Florida. However, federal DEA agents and Marion County Sheriff's drug investigators found this RV wasn't just carrying tourists, but hidden compartments hauling more than 300 pounds of marijuana.
Agents from DEA Task Force out of California were on their way to Marion County following a load of marijuana in a motorhome, and we came out at 11 o'clock Sunday night and got involved in the surveillance and the subsequent arrests.
Officers busted 4 men from California after a drug-sniffing dog found them out. Veteran agent Eddie Wright says the compartments and drugs were so well hidden that only a dog could have found them.
Well, it was hard to find because the marijuana was secreted in hidden compartments in the floor of the motorhome, which they had made and modified the motorhome to hide them. Well, we used Deputy Philip Law and his canine Zeke. He's on our interdiction team, and he's had special training in how to find hidden compartments and has the equipment to do it with, and he was very successful in finding it for us.
The 4 men in custody are Frank Ramirez, Alejandro Garcia, Jamie Lopez, and Gary Fournier.